Moneylam is a well-known name in the Indian laminate industry, one of the finest laminate manufacturers in India. Moneylam is known for its superior customer service, quality and reliability, with one of the most modern manufacturing units in India.
जब से हम लोगों ने अपना फैक्ट्री से स्टार्ट करा था, from the very first day, our only one motive was to provide best product in the laminate market, and in a very short span of time, we have achieved it, and I'm very confident about it.
Moneylam has marked its presence in almost every geographical region of the country. Each year, more than 50 lakh laminate sheets are manufactured in varied designs and textures with state-of-the-art technology. Owing to its superior quality and huge production capacity, Moneylam is today one of India's leading laminate manufacturers. High-quality craft paper and best-in-class design papers are used in the manufacturing of Moneylam laminates. The quality of the paper is self-tested by the experienced specialists at Moneylam in their state-of-the-art laboratory. Moneylam production facilities are equipped with high-quality precision imported machines to ensure products created provide not only value for money, but are also excellent quality to the customers, thus fulfilling the huge demand of laminates while achieving the best production capacity. While making the laminate, it is ensured that the machine and its surrounding area are clean so that there is no compromise on quality in any way. At the same time, keeping in mind the safety of the employees and the environment, the machines are operated with caution and care.
आज मनीलैम क्वालिटी के मामले में नंबर 1 अव्वल है इंडिया में, जो बहुत कम समय में ही इतनी जल्दी ग्रोथ की है। इसकी वजह है कि इसमें आप लोगों का बहुत सपोर्ट रहा है। आगे मनीलैम नई नई क्वालिटी बना रही है और अच्छे से प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में ला रही है, जो आप लोगों को बहुत जल्दी ही देखने को मिलेगी।
Moneylam plant has several hydraulic press machines, which are used for pressing, trimming, and sanding of laminates under the supervision of a skilled manager and specialist personnel. Keeping in mind the ongoing trends in the market, Moneylam produces different types of laminates like SF laminate, glossy laminate, unicore laminate, and many more.
Design and development is the strongest pillar of any decorative panel industry to survive in this competitive and ever-growing market. At Moneylam, our main motto is to serve each and every vertical of the industry with the best possible designs and patterns available throughout the world. So at Moneylam, we are committed to design innovative and decorative finishes that illuminates and lifts up the spaces in which they are found.
Moneylam display centers have been constructed inside Moneylam's factory and in various cities of India, where the wide range of Moneylam laminates are displayed along with a unique range of door skins.
मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनिंग एक ऐसा सेगमेंट है जिसमें सरफेस को डेकोरेट करने के लिए डेकोरेटिव लैमिनेट का सिलेक्शन और कलर और उसका डिज़ाइन पैटर्न और उसका कॉम्बिनेशन बहुत मायने रखता है। अगर आपका डिज़ाइन सिलेक्शन और डिज़ाइंस की मैचिंग और उसके सेट्स के साथ कॉम्बिनेशन परफेक्ट है, तो आप जिस जगह का इंटीरियर कराना चाहते हैं वो उतना ही परफेक्ट और खूबसूरत होगा। आपके डेकोरेटिव सिलेक्शन को बेहतर से बेहतरीन बनाने के लिए हमने मनीलैम का डिस्प्ले सेंटर इंडिया के अलग अलग शहरों में खोलना शुरू कर दिया है। उदाहरण के तौर पर अभी हमने बेंगलोर, दिल्ली और बरेली में मनीलैम का डिस्प्ले सेंटर ओपन कर दिया है, जिसमें मनीलैम की पूरी रेंज डिस्प्लेड है। अभी तक जितने भी इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर या आर्किटेक्ट ने विज़िट किया है, सभी ने मनीलैम डिस्प्ले सेंटर और मनीलैम के रेंज की तारीफ़ की है। मैं चाहूँगा कि आप सभी हमारे मनीलैम एक्सपीरियंस सेंटर को विजिट करें या वेबसाइट को लॉगिन करें और अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करें।
Since the very beginning, Our focus has been on two things: quality and trust. We believe that what you put into the system is what's going to come out, and hence we have invested not just in world-class machines and infrastructure, but also good quality people. We believe that any company is only as good as its products and its people. And this is what we have kept in mind while creating any new association, be it suppliers, distributors, or even while hiring new personnel. What we look at, apart from skill and knowledge, is the character. And this is done to ensure that our customers are getting what they're paying for. MoneyLam is in this for the long haul, and we believe that if there is trust in a relation, then the relation is going to last forever. This is how we have been doing business, and we are counting on it to even lead us into the future.
A wish changes nothing. A decision brings a slight change. A determination changes everything. MoneyLam's unbreakable relationship with its buyers and sellers will continue to grow as we are committed to provide the best quality products.